Hi friends, today we're going to be talking about shapes. And the first thing that we want to talk about is two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. A two-dimensional shape is flat, like a piece of paper or a photograph, where a three-dimensional shape is more of a solid figure. So first we'll talk about our two-dimensional or flat shapes. So right here, this is a circle. Just goes all the way around, continuously all the way around. Our next flat shape or two-dimensional shape is a triangle. A triangle has three sides and three vertices. Vertices are its corners. So all triangles have three sides and three vertices or three corners. The next shape that we want to talk about is a rectangle. Now a rectangle has one, two, three, four sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. But for a rectangle, its opposite sides are the same length. So this right here is one length. This one here matches. These two are the same length. And then these two are the same length. So this is a rectangle. Now we're going to talk about a square. And a square is a special kind of rectangle because all four of its sides are the same length. So just like a rectangle, these sides are the exact same and these sides are the exact same, but it's special because all four are really the exact same. So a square, like a rectangle or a rectangle too, have four sides and four vertices or four corners. The next shape that we want to talk about is a hexagon. A hexagon is a special shape because it has 6 sides and 6 vertices. 6 sides and 6 corners or vertices. That's the hexagon. The next things that we want to talk about are our three-dimensional or solid figures. So this, my friends, you guys have seen this in lots and lots and lots of different forms. You would probably call this a ball, which is correct. It is a ball, but in the mathematical world, we call this a sphere. So it is a three-dimensional object. It is a solid figure, and we call it a sphere. It's kind of an interesting word, sphere. All right. The next thing that we're going to talk about is a cube. It's like its flat surface is a square, but we can take a look and we can see, we turn it around, we can look at it, it's actually a three-dimensional or solid figure. Now we see this, friends, sometimes in like a present, a gift may be shaped like this, or maybe a box of tissues might be shaped like this, and this is called a cube. The next one that we're going to talk about is a cylinder. Now its flat surfaces are circles, and this right here is all round. And you might see a cylinder, a soup can is a cylinder, a can of soda is a cylinder, a tube of paper towels, that's a cylinder. You see cylinders lots of times in your house. The next thing, take a look at this, friends. This might look like a little confusing to you, right? But if I flip it over, what does it look like? An ice cream cone. This three-dimensional or solid figure is called a cone. We usually see it sitting up like that, but if you have trouble remembering it, flip it over and you can see that it looks like an ice cream cone. So this, my friends, is a cone. We do see them in ice cream. We see them as party hats sometimes, right? So this is a cone. All right, friends, that's it for our shapes.